In our quest to dive far below the waterline, to discover secrets locked in the deep, the Convex Seascape Survey has been building global science baselines, using tech and data to model and map ocean carbon through time. The survey's open source data, coupled with innovative ways to communicate and educate, is opening doors to audiences never before reached with ocean science. Dedicated to answering questions which could inform the world for generations on the ocean's role in mitigating climate change. The survey asks, where are the carbon stores in the sea? How and when did they get there? What is the role of biodiversity on those carbon stores? And what is human activity, both past and present, doing to them? Delving into the muddy shorelines of Millport, our scientists identify the key critters, worm-like creatures and shellfish, critical for burying carbon at the top of the seafloor through to the muddy depth below. The team expanded global knowledge of these seafloor superheroes by 150% and will now look at how much carbon they are responsible for locking away. What human activity does to this carbon is just as crucial. Scientists have surveyed both inside and outside the marine protected area of South Arran in Scotland to discover whether protection from seabed disturbance influences life on the seabed and its ability to store carbon. Innovations in technology and modelling are allowing scientists to map the history of oceanic carbon in new ways. The process where carbon dioxide moves from the air into the ocean is known as the air-sea carbon dioxide flux. Convex Seascape Survey scientists have been collecting global data on this phenomenon, and 10 years of historic data is represented in these new animations. Areas of the continental shelf seas that turn blue on the maps are areas which are increasingly acting as a sink for carbon dioxide. Then, stepping back in time, we've reconstructed how ocean currents have changed since the end of the last ice age to discover where carbon is likely to be building up. With great science comes great responsibility. Convex Seascape Survey has been educating school children with ocean carbon science through a series of live lessons, bringing the ocean carbon cycle to life for students across 21 countries worldwide. The sediment carbon story has been brought to life through new tech animation, taking viewers on a deep dive into the role that marine life plays in moving carbon around the ocean and locking it away. Further connecting through new technology, the survey launched an augmented reality Instagram filter, allowing the public to walk with whales, reaching a global audience of nearly 5 million. Our journey is just beginning. Join us as we venture into the deep.